And today we are going to learn sea animals.
Sea animals.
What is this?
This is an octopus.
This is a octopus. Very good. What is this?
Starfish.
Very good. This is a starfish. What is this?
This is a penguin.
This is a penguin. Very good. What is this?
This is a tortoise.
This is a sea turtle. What is this?
This is a crab.
Very good. This is a crab. What is this?
This is a dolphin.
Yes, this is a dolphin. What is this? This is a shrimp.
This is a shrimp.
What is this?
This is a shark.
Shark. Baby shark. Do 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 do. What is this?
Fish.
This is a fish. Very good. What is this?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Very good. What is this? This is a lobster.
Lobster.
What is this?
Whale.
Yes, this is a blue whale. Very good. What is this?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Yes. Very good. What is this? This is a sea snail.
Sea snail.
Very good. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe my channel. Please do like, subscribe.